Hi everyone, so I'm going to be teaching you how to add a Google assignment to Schoology. So as you can see, I went ahead and started adding an assignment. So I'm going to add a reading comprehension slide. So what you do is click on this Google Drive assignments and it will directly take you to your Google Drive. You have to make sure that you are logged in. So once I select whichever assignment I want, so for this one it's the Gray Wolf reading assignment, I'm going to go ahead and select the attach button. It's just the blue button and it automatically attaches to your Schoology. So this will go ahead and create a copy for each one of your students. You could go ahead and select a category. For this one, I'm going to go ahead and do ungraded. And I am going to create. So once it creates, as you can see, students will see it here. For them to open the assignment, it will look like this. And if you click on it here, it'll go ahead and open your Google Slides. Students should be signed in to their Google accounts. If they are not signed in, it will not let them open the assignment. I know that sometimes when my students are not signed in, it'll tell them to sign in. Once they sign in, they'll be able to open up whichever assignment you assigned. And that's it. So once they go ahead and submit their assignment, you'll be able to see it here on the submissions.